My name's Jackie O'Rourke, and I'm a 9-year breast cancer survivor. In 2002, I was diagnosed with the most common form of breast cancer, and during treatment, I ended up getting the most rare and aggressive form of breast cancer, inflammatory. So I always take this opportunity to talk about having a rash as opposed to just a lump. So many women think they need to look for a lump, and yes they do, but there's also another form of breast cancer called inflammatory that is a rash, and it almost looks like an orange peel. They call it poids-orange. I was very, very comfortable with the physicians here and at Ellis Fischel. One thing to note, that when you are diagnosed with inflammatory breast cancer, you should go to a teaching facility, and we have an excellent one here in Columbia. I'm very fortunate to live here while I was getting treatment. It made it very convenient. I feel it's important to have a good support system, and I've always felt very comfortable with my physicians and my nurses, and I could even, that day call up and say, explain to me the side effect, what's going on, or anything like that. But I always felt very, very cared for, and that's important. It's really important. I feel very blessed that I've done as well as I have, and I think it's important to give back. So I try to always be there for other patients to talk to. There's a saying I like that says, to know the road ahead, ask those coming back. So I think it's very, very important to find a support system. We do have a support group through the hospital that we get together once a month. All forms of, no matter where you are in your treatment. You can be 10 years out, 15 years out, you can be just diagnosed. I think it's important that the women get together and support each other, and studies show that when you do have support, that you do better in your treatment. I have this great quilt, and there is a picture of me on that quilt in one of my wigs, but this quilt was made by my friends, and I love shoes, so it has all these shoes on it, but there also is an image of me in one of my favorite wigs.